Oh yeah, we're at the Hilton Hotel, and it's time to act a little bit sus. And of course, I'm recording this on a laptop because I didn't bring the camera, so of course we had to use this high-tech device. It's gonna be so sussy, so stay awake and aware, and keep your pants on. You might want to take them off, but keep them on. I don't like this painting. Alright, much better. Time for a little sip. Ah, this cup has a hole in it. Awesome. Yeah, let me go over the sink. I would never want to make a mess at the Hilton Hotel. Bro, I swear literally none of that 0% got in my mouth. My mask's not even that wet. Yep, you heard it here first, folks. The CDC is right. The masks are powerful. Time for a little bit of a 18 plus video. What is this? Body lotion? Yep. I'm gonna use the sink soap and some toothpaste. Alright, time to get clean. I wonder what happens if I drop the soap. Oh, I can't open it because my hand's too sticky. Nice. Body lotion. What's wrong with my body there? I don't like it. Get it off of me. My day is ruined. I hate it. I'm Hacker Man.